Hey, hey guys, it's Sam from Sam Drummer. Today we're going to be playing some natural disasters survival in a Roblox because this is one of my favorite games. Alexis Risto, go check out her video. I gave her a shout out in my Terminal Railways video. Alright, let's climb. It's an earthquake! It's an earthquake! No, 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 no! Oh! Oh my gosh. Let's see this place survive the earthquake. Let's watch this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All those tanks are falling. Oh no, the smokestack! The smokestack is gonna fall to its death. Everybody got on the tower. Me too. Me too. Look at this. Oh, somebody just jumped to their death. Look at this. Oh, the smokestack's gonna commit suicide. The smokestack is going to commit suicide. This smokestack, I think, might commit suicide. Oh, yep, the smokestack just committed suicide. And I think the rest of it is just now. But it's still working. There's like smoke. There's smoke. Oh, actually, I think that might be no, it's the smokestack. I was gonna say it might be fire, but it's smokestack. It's just the stuff. Just a minute. Bruh. Look at that thing. There's actually a couple people who survived. The earthquake is over. The earthquake is over. What am I? Where am I? I'm stuck. Oh, here I am. Look at that place. That's like the PowerPoint. Let's watch it respawn the island. Alright, what's the map gonna be this time? Oh, it's the school. Sweet. This is RIP. Rest in peace, the map. 18. Let's go. What's this coming for us? It's a storm. No, it isn't actually. We're gonna fire an acid rain. And a meteor shower. What a meteor shower. You know what a meteor. And a meteor. No. I've got to get outside. No. Oh, good. No. 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 I've got to jump. Jump, Sam. Jump. 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 You gotta be kidding me. There's a volcano. They were all wrong. Oh, guys, there's a volcano. There's a volcano destroying Heights School. Boom! Let's watch one of these particles. Oh, kablam. They were wrong. Oh! Something just fell from the. Oh! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna replay that clip. But did you guys see that? The whole school literally just died. Oh, people are in it. People are in, oh my gosh, look at the school. The whole school's committing suicide. Oh my gosh. Nothing lives when a volcano's around. There goes the school. Whoa. minute. Oh, bacon storm. Rain. Syrup rain. Full syrup rain. Maple syrup. Oh, Lucky Mart. The Lucky Mart's, I think, one of the hardest levels. I'm gonna head to the back. Okay, let's go. What's back here? Oh yeah, we got a, oh, come on. Ooh. Ooh, no way. Is that? Oh, sweet. We got a roof. I keep a meteor shower. Great to watch. We've got tiny meteors. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get inside. I've gotta get inside. I'm gonna cling. I'm gonna hop. I'm gonna do what I did in another video. I just cling. I just cling onto the shelf, and usually it does not get hit. Oh, but the wall just got hit. Oh, yeah, I think that's next. That's gonna fall next. Oh, wow, that hit just a few yards from me. That hit just a few. You are some boy. It's not falling yet. I'm gonna watch. Die. I'm surviving. Yeah, guys, we survived, as you can see. Oh, look. It's an apple. Let's see. Pick up a green balloon with your own. Easy Robux. What's this? What's this? Oh, we got the glass office. Let's wait. Oh, we've got a storm coming for us. If there's a tornado and it destroys the glass office, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duck. I'm gonna hide. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's... A storm's appearing on the horizon. There's a blizzard. Hi. Just a minute, I'm gonna comment everything. Hi. Under the first staircase. The staircase. Staircase. Oh goodness. There's snow. How can blizzards kill you? It's weird. Well, will the roof cave in? Whew. Oh, I'm gonna send someone. Diego Pro. Saboteur. I survived, actually, guys. Yes, sweet. Let's see what the glass office turned out like. You gotta be kidding. It's the glass office again. Oh, I wonder what it is this time. It's a storm. Let's maybe head to the top. I want to see what it's like at the top of the glass office. The wind's starting to blow. If I am at the top of the building, when it collapses, I'm gonna be so bad. I'm gonna be so mad. Let's head to the actually, oh, you evil. Yeah, thunderstorm. 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 Oh, I just died. Let's watch this thunderstorm. Oh, it's destroying the glass office. Kaboom! Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!